Cauliflower au gratin, au Greek way, anyone? You'll need cauliflower, a cup of coarsely grated Graviera or another sheep's milk cheese, a cup and a half or so of crumbled Greek feta, garlic, smoked or regular paprika, milk, a tablespoon or two of plain breadcrumbs, thyme, salt, pepper, and Greek olive oil. Steam the cauliflower florets. Puree the garlic, paprika, half the feta, milk, and olive oil. Chop the thyme. Combine the steamed cauliflower with salt, pepper, thyme, and the feta milk paprika mixture in a bowl. Toss in the remaining feta and half the grated cheese. Oil a baking dish. Add the cauliflower mixture to the baking dish, sprinkle the remaining cheese and then the breadcrumbs over the top, and bake in a preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 Celsius for about 20 minutes or until golden, gooey, and delicious.